Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Ansys Workbench and how to make easily a setting a design modeler as a default, because this is a this is a space this is a space claim direct modeler is setting here is this and this is a design modeler. Okay, and this space is very helpful because all view and all modify tools and all dimension tools and all constant tools and all tools is one by one is you can see here. And this is a space, this is a space modeler is a all is automatic. Okay guys, one by one is all point is discussed here this and this make a design modeler as a default, and this is a very important. And 19.2 this latest version is used here. Okay, and this is a latest version is Ansys 19.2. This is a very important, and this space is a space claim design modeler, but setting a design modeler because all is perfect. Okay, at first going to this geometry is this is a use this geometry is looking this and double click here using this and again select this static structural. Okay, because at first select this and use this and going to this geometry and right click, and this is a very important edit. First point is edit geometry in a space claim and edit geometry in design modeler, but setting a default is a edit geometry in space claim. Okay, but I want to change this because setting a permanent setting a design modeler, then at first going to tools. Okay, and going to option. Okay, and going to this option is this. Okay, going to this geometry import. Okay, and this is a very important, and general option is very important, and prefer geometry editor and a space claim direct a modeler to change here this. Okay, and this is a two first is a design modeler and second is a space claim direct modeler, because this is a space claim direct modeler is a default setting here, but I want to change this design modeler because this is a perfect, and click here design modeler and click OK, and this is a permanent setting here, and check a right click and going to this edit geometry in design modeler because this is a default setting here, and anytime anywhere is change here, but this is a default setting and this is a permanent is open a edit geometry in design modeler, and this is a second position is this edit geometry in a space claim. Okay, and going to this and double click here, and automatic you can see here on the screen, and some time is a little. Okay, and double click here, double click component to edit. Okay, and change here this. Okay, okay, this is a close, and okay, again setting this double click here, and new space is showing here this looking perfect this. Okay, this is a design modeler is this icon is you can see here, and again. Okay, and this is again this design modeler is setting here, and all. Okay, all tools is you can see here on the screen. This is a view and modify and dimensions and constant and setting here. Okay, all is perfect looking here. Okay, okay guys, at first this is a space is this, and change here this a permanent solution. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.